Starting off strong with the Tesla Cybertruck. All angles, all attitude. Love it or hate it, this stainless steel beast is straight out of the future. Next up, here's the previous gen Model Y in white color. It's familiar, practical, and still a fan favorite. But keep watching, because the new version takes things to the next level. Now this is the 2026 Model Y Juniper in Ultra Red, completely refreshed with a sleeker front end, sharper lighting design, and improved aerodynamics. The Ultra Red finish just takes it to a whole new level. Bold, sporty, and seriously eye-catching. It's not just a color, it's a statement. Right beside it, we've got the Model X, the SUV with iconic falcon wing doors. Spacious, powerful, and still the go-to choice for families who want a bit of flair with their performance. And here's the Model S, the OG performance sedan, low, sleek, and razor-sharp. This one's all about speed and style. And here they are, the full Tesla family lined up. From futuristic utility to electric luxury, Tesla's design language is evolving, and it looks better than ever in person. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla content.